Hello everyone, welcome back to Archangel RC. I have a short video today with a peculiar issue a friend of mine has with his AtomRC Dolphin Pro, or whatever the name is, the grey one, the latest version of it with the working vertical stabilizers. While the Hero was circling above for one of the endurance runs, my friend wanted to test fly said plane, which came in a plug-and-play set with all the stock electronics, including the autopilot. Since I did have the MT-11 gimbal pointed and locked onto our location during the flight, you can actually see the takeoff attempt, which was not exactly successful. Flight controller is flashed with ArduPilot, the dedicated takeoff mode was used. He threw it perfectly against the wind, but rather than go up, the plane just kept getting lower and lower. At some point, I switched it out of the takeoff mode and into fly-by-wire A, and tried to pull it up manually, but it didn't really react all too eagerly, which at some point led the prop to just graze the tarmac a little bit and the plane crash landed there, sustaining some damage. We have flown it before, but every time we do, it is a 50-50 whether it will take off or not, as after the initial throw and altitude gain, it always starts to drop altitude, as if it's struggling to go up, which it shouldn't, as the motor has plenty of thrust and the elevons do have ample travel set up as per the user manual. The only time this thing actually took flight and did not need pilot intervention was on the very first throw for its maiden flight, where it also started going down, but somehow much less than the following attempts. Since then there have been 2 failed takeoff attempts and 1 successful one where I had to again intervene and get it out of takeoff mode and into fly-by-wire A, else it was just going down too fast. The situation is very frustrating for my friend because he did want a nice and easygoing plane to carry with him in the car, compact as well, but that all relies on the thing taking off without issues when he's on his own and doesn't have another person manning the remote while throwing it, just in case. So any info on this would be greatly appreciated. I am not too familiar with the specifics of the new Dolphin, neither am I familiar with the specifics of the AtomRC autopilot. All the parameters of the dedicated takeoff mode look good. I honestly can't see any issue with it as to what would cause it to start going down like this past the initial jump up. Like I said, control surfaces deflect as per the manual, motor is pointing straight back. The only thing is the elevons are trimmed flush with the fuselage. Is it possible they need some up trim, I wonder? The 2 flights the plane did, once it actually took off, it did not feel like it needed any up trim on the elevons in manual mode. CG is just a tiny bit forward. So, those of you flying this thing around, please do chime in. I would be very grateful if we can get this taking off reliably every time. Now, I will be out of town for the next 2 weeks or so. There may not be as much content uploaded, but I will try to prepare some stuff to still keep you entertained during this off period, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon.